Hey guys, welcome to Tech Mix. In this video, we show you how to fix your connection not private in your browser in Windows. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This error can be disruptive as you're then unable to access different sites. So, we got some different fixes you can try. Come to the bottom right of your computer and right-click on the date and time and press Adjust Date and Time. Switch on, set the time automatically. That'll do the date as well. Go and see if that solves it. Still doesn't. Go to the top right of your browser. Press the three dots or lines and get your settings. Settings may be slightly in a different place for you, but go and locate them. You want to go and find your privacy and security settings, and then go and find security. And you can switch off Always Use Secure Connections. Going to see if that solves it. And what you can also do is come to the URL bar, and you can try moving the S after HTTP. Then, go to the site. Hopefully, and it works.